Hello everyone, today I will cook a dish that we enjoy almost every Sunday morning in our house. Eggs with veggies, but as always, it will be my way. First, we add olive oil in the pan. Add 1 chopped onion and 2-3 garlic cloves. Chop them into small pieces. Cook them for a minute and add the peppers. I don't want the veggies to become too soft, so I'm using 1 green pepper and 1 sweet pepper. Chopped and fried for about 2 minutes. Next, add 1 or 2 chopped tomatoes. Use as many as you like. I used 2. Stir well. Then add a pinch of salt, basil, black pepper, turmeric and oregano. If you like a bit of heat, you can also add some hot red pepper. After that, mix everything gently for another minute. Now, let's start cracking the eggs. Add 4 eggs or more if you want, on top of the veggies. I do not mix or scramble them, I leave sunny side up. Cover the pan until the egg whites begin to set. I won't cook them for too long because I like the eggs to remain soft inside. There you go everyone, bon appetit.